Hello everyone. This video is about screen recording in laptop. So we know that screen recording has become an essential tool in creating tutorials, presentations, or simply capturing moments on your computer screen. And if you are a Windows user, then you're in luck as Windows 10 provides an easy and convenient way to record your screen. So in this video, we are going to basically guide you on how to screen record on your laptop using Windows plus Alt plus R key. So here it is written, you just gotta hit the Windows key plus Alt plus R button to screen record. But make sure there are different steps that you gotta basically take in mind that whatever you're gonna basically screen record, open the app you want to record, and to start recording your screen you need to have the app or window you want to record open and ready to go. Make sure it's positioned exactly as you want it to appear in the recording. Step 2 that you should follow is that press Windows plus Alt plus R key to start recording. Press the Windows key, the Alt key, and R key simultaneously. This will instantly start the screen recording process. And now step 3 is that begin your recording. Once you have hit the buttons, you will see a small red circle appear on the top right corner of your screen. This indicates that your screen is being recorded. Okay, simply go through the process you want to record while the recording is taking place. Step 4 is that end your recording. To stop recording, press Windows Alt R key again, or simply click on the red circle on the top right corner of your screen, and this will stop the recording process, and a notification will appear telling you where the recording has been saved. Step 5 is that find your recording. Once the recording is complete, it will be automatically saved in the Windows folder in your user directory. You can also find your recordings in the captures folder in the Xbox app. Okay. So yeah, it was very simple. I hope you will like the video. Press the bell icon if you haven't subscribed my channel, and yeah, this is my first video that I'm gonna basically post. Thank you.